everybody, I got my new tires here. I did end up going with the Michelin LTX MS tire in the 275/60/20 for the Ram trucks. Pretty funny, when I called Discount Tire, gave him the tire size, guy on the phone goes, "Huh, for a Ram?" Yep, sure is. So they got me in and out same day, worked out pretty good. I just wanted to show, have some pretty good tire depth on these things, so I'm happy with them so far. Getting the first snow here today, so it was perfect timing. So I've done just one little trip here, and we've got I don't know, going on almost an inch of snow here. Not quite an inch, but almost an inch. And so far they hook up really good. I'm impressed with them there. Braking action was decent for just being a highway tire. You know, they are considered to be the all-purpose tire, and similar to the SRAs as far as performance, but SRAs are really only okay when they're brand new. So these were actually so far really good. I haven't actually driven in the rain with them yet, so I can't say wet only, but with today's snow, I'm actually really happy so far. Dry performance on the highway, zero highway noise, so it's a great highway tire. Probably actually quieter than the SRAs were, new or old, so I'm actually really happy with that. And like I mentioned in the other video, I do primarily drive highway, so these tires are really more so up my alley. I just need a tire that I can also drive in stuff like this with. You know, a decent amount of snow, good snowstorms. I mean, I am in Wisconsin. Some of my other videos, people talk about the Wisconsin accent. So yeah, we get snow and we get a lot of it. So I didn't need something that was an all-terrain tire, but I just wanted something that I wouldn't regret having a different tire, and so far so good. So I'm gonna go out and drive in the snow a little bit more here, test them out. But I just wanted to at least give you guys my first initial reactions and let you know, as a follow-up to that last video, which tires I chose. Because on that last one I had a couple options I was considering. This was my number one thought, and ultimately it's what I ended up going with. So basically for what I do, I'm pretty happy with it. And like I said, just wanted to share, check back in. If you guys have any questions about the tires at all, I'll do my best to answer them. If you really think that it's something I should do another follow-up video on in the future, I really don't have any plans on it. This is probably the last video I'll do on tires in a very long time. But if you guys think that there's something I need to say, just let me know in the comments, and I'll talk to you guys later.